The day you wear your tiny cap, so proud to see you smile like that. You learn your letters, numbers too, and every day you grew and grew. Little hands that used to play, now ready for a brand new day. Oh, my shining little star, look how bright and strong you are. Kindergarten is in your past, but your dreams are growing fast. Step by step you'll find your way. Brighter future starts today. Oh, my heart is full and true. I'm so proud of you. You learn to share, to laugh, to care, to tie your shoes and fix your hair. You painted worlds with colors bright. You turned small moments into light. Every friend and every game helped you learn and grow your name. Oh, my shining little star, look how bright and strong you are. Kindergarten is in your past, but your dreams are growing fast. Step by step you'll find your way. Brighter future starts today.
Ashi Siren. Tashi's favorite part of kindergarten was learning literacy. Tashi wants to be an artist when she grows up because she loves to draw. Thank you, Tashi. Jelson Yanshin. Nelson's favorite part of kindergarten was playing at Summers. Nelson would like to be a doctor when he grows up because he wants to help people when they get hurt. Thank you, Justin.